Do you think you can change your life in 1 second? My name is Alexis Zen, and after a journey of self-discovery, I found a secret that would transform my life completely. A secret I want to share with you. How could I possibly build a wellness company, Mindbodism, develop an application for it, become a USA Today best-selling author, lose 7 kilos, write a self-help book, and launch the basketball platform BasketBLE in just 3 months while I was working full-time in a bank and had to care for my newborn baby? The answer is that I discovered the power of 1 second, which is also the title of my book, and I applied this formula to achieve everything I wished for. Following that, my life grew exponentially in a very short period of time. Now, I want to teach you all the tactics I used to achieve this, so you can also manifest anything you want, and most importantly, make it a reality. The power of 1 second, how to achieve anything you want, is the way to do it. Do you want to reach your dreams but do not know where to start? Are you tired of working hard but without seeing any results? Do you lack the energy or willpower to pursue your dreams? I know exactly how you feel because I have been there. That's why through my book and online course, I reveal concepts and strategies that have helped me and thousands of people become healthier, happier, and more successful. And you can be one of them. For over 20 years, I have been working in top Fortune 500 companies all around the world. And through my businesses, I have been providing services to well-known clients such as Apple, UBS, and BP. In addition to my business background, I'm also a life coach and teacher of Qigong, meditation, and yoga. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with 1 second. So use the second now to transform your life, and I'll be there to guide you. Connect with me or attend my classes and reach your true potential. I'll be waiting for you.